Guys, it's me again in a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Samsung TV. So I've just reduced the volume and let's just go ahead and let me just choose English for the sake of the video, and I'll go with remote control since I'm not sure how you guys are going to be setting it up. Of course, it's a home usage, and we can also check for the network. I'll be right. So Samsung has a pretty good job done there, right? They also have a pleasant music on the background that's running on itself, and this is the TV that I unboxed recently in the channel. If you want to check it out, it's gonna be in the description. I would wait, so let's agree to all of this. I mean, we can also skip it, but there are going to be certain features that are not going to be available. So, yep, I guess my TV is on the latest firmware, so yep. And now we can just go ahead and skip this since I don't think I'll be using my Samsung account. We're going to be logging into my Amazon, so it's just going to be a one-time QR code. So if you're watching this video like years after it's been posted, well, the QR code is not used for anything. So I just done that. There we go. Now we also, let's just go next, and we have an image. Wait, so we didn't set up Netflix yet. That we are going to be doing soon. But that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. And something that if you want to know more about is, well, of course I can do a full review about the TV. Yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.